Welcome back to my channel. Each question and answer will be read slowly and then at normal speed. Listen carefully and do it again. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
What's your name?
My name is Eric.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and a sister.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music, but I don't like metal.
How often do you eat out? What's your favorite restaurant?
I eat out about 2 times a week. My favorite restaurant is McDonald's.
What do you like to do on your birthday?
I like to go to amusement parks and ride roller coasters.
Where did you grow up? Describe the place.
I grew up in a small town and my house was near my school.
Who is your favorite family member?
My favorite family member is my brother because he is funny and we play games together.
What sports do you like?
I like watching football. I also enjoy playing basketball.
What's your last name?
My last name is Smith.
What's your phone number?
My phone number 010-555-7789.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually meet my friends at the park.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is dried fruit.
When is your birthday? How old are you?
My birthday is March 18th. I am 20 years old.
What is your best skill?
I am good at playing tennis.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Biscuit.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
What hobbies do you have? What do you do in your free time?
I like to exercise in my free time.
What app do you use the most on your phone?
I often use Instagram to look at my friends' photos.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m.
Do you have a busy schedule?
Yes, I am busy during the week, but I rest on weekends.
Which do you like better, mornings or afternoons?
I prefer mornings over afternoons because I like eating breakfast.
What do you usually do on weekday mornings?
On weekday mornings, I go to school.
Where do you like to hang out during your free time?
When I have time available, I like to go for a walk around the park near my home.
Do you like to exercise? Why or why not?
Yes, I like to exercise because it gives me more energy and makes me feel good.
What is something you waste a lot of time on?
I waste a lot of time playing on my phone or watching TV.
Talk about what you like to read.
I like to read articles on the internet about my hobbies.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Can you cook? How often do you make dinner?
Yes, I can cook. I cook dinner 4 times a week.
How do you relax before going to bed?
I relax by playing a game or checking Instagram on my phone before going to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to sleep very late, usually around 11 p.m.
Are you usually early, on time, or late?
Sometimes I arrive late to appointments. When that happens, my friends get upset with me.
Do you take naps?
I love taking naps on a long bus or train journey.
What do you do on weekend mornings?
On weekend mornings, I watch TV after waking up, then have breakfast with my family.
What do you like to do during your free time?
During my free time, I play computer games or meet friends.
Where do you eat lunch? What do you usually have?
I eat lunch at the school cafeteria.
Describe a place you like to walk to.
I like to take a walk around my neighborhood in the afternoon.
Do you spend a lot of time online? What do you do?
I spend a lot of time on social media such as Facebook and Instagram. I also visit funny websites or play games.
How do you commute to school or work?
I go to school by bus.
How many hours of TV do you watch every day?
I rarely watch TV. It is more convenient to stream shows on Netflix or YouTube.
How often do you watch a movie?
I watch a movie twice a month.
How many times do you check social media every day?
I check social media throughout the day, probably far too often.
How often do you eat junk food?
I eat junk food about 3 times a week.
How often do you go hiking or go for a walk?
I go hiking once every 2 weeks.
How many times a day do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth 3 times a day or after meals.
How many times a day do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth 3 times a day or after meals.
How often do you read? What books do you like?
I read a book a month. I especially enjoy reading adventure books.
How often do you dream at night?
Sometimes when I sleep, I have a dream, but when I wake up, I seldom remember it.
How often will you ride your bicycle this summer?
I don't have a bicycle, so I hardly ever ride one.